Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to troubleshoot your spa when it goes into high limit trip or protection mode. When the spa goes into high limit trip, the power light starts to flash, indicating a high limit condition, making the heater and jet pump inoperable. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, small towel or rag, and a multimeter. Parts you will need: 79005 High Limit Thermistor, 74427 E5 circ pump, and the 73178 Clogged Filter. 1. High Limit Thermistor plugged in incorrectly. If you just bought new sensors and installed them and the power light is flashing, check the connector and make sure the High Limit Thermistor is plugged in correctly. If you're off by one pin, the power light will flash. First disconnect the power, then plug the sensor in correctly. 2. Clogged filter. A flashing power light can be caused by a dirty filter. Remove the filter from the gray standpipe and see if the power light quits flashing. If the power light stops flashing, you simply have a clogged filter. Clean or replace the filter. 3. Airlock. An airlock will cause the power light to flash. If you recently drained and refilled the spa, you may have an airlock. An airlock happens when air gets trapped in the circulation pump line. To remove an airlock, place a garden hose in the standpipe fitting and hold a rag around it to force all the air out of the line. 4. A bad circulation pump. A bad or weak circulation pump will cause the power light to flash. You should be able to see movement on the surface of the water. If not, place your hand on the pump to see if it is vibrating. If it's not vibrating, check the voltage. You should have 110 to 120 volts. If the voltage is good, but the pump doesn't work, replace the pump. If there is no voltage, make sure the summer timer is turned off. If the summer timer is off, check the circ pump fuse. If the fuse is good but still has no voltage, replace the motherboard. 5. Bad high limit thermistor. A bad high limit sensor will cause the power light to flash. Test the sensor by following the steps below and referencing the resistance versus temperature chart. A. Set the meter to 20 k ohms on the ohm scale. B. Record the temperature of the spa water. C. Disconnect power from the spa. D. Unplug the thermistor from the control box. E. Meter across the two leads. Refer to the temperature versus resistance chart at backyardplus.com to find the correct resistance value for the temperature measured. If the temperature and resistance does not match that of the chart, this test is failed, and the thermistor must be replaced. Remember, if the spa has been inactive, the spa water temperature may be different than the water temperature in the heater housing. 6. Bad heater. A bad heater will cause the power light to flash. Run your hand alongside the output tube of the heater. If you feel a spot that is extremely hot, you are most likely dealing with a bad heater. To test the heater, turn the heater circuit off and see if the spa still goes into high limit trip. If it doesn't, then you have a bad heater. 7. Cold water startup. If the water temperature is below 55 degrees, the power light will flash. The easiest way to get the spa started is with an extra set of sensors. Disconnect power from the spa, place the sensors in a warm cup of water, and plug them into the motherboard to trick the tub into thinking that the spa water is warm. If you don't have extra sensors, you can place a hairdryer directly onto the sensors for 5 to 10 minutes. It should get the sensors warm enough to start the spa and stop the flashing power light. Hotspot tubs can use the 79005 and 79006 sensors to trick the spa into heating. 8. Bad multicolor light, 2001 to 2009.5. A bad multicolor light will cause the power light to flash. If you open the control box and notice the control unplugged light is on, the power light is flashing, and water leaking around the light lens, turn off the power to the spa and unplug both light connectors. LED spa light, and I2C interface. Reconnect power to the spa. If the power light quits flashing and the control unplugged light turns off, then you have a bad multicolor light. Currently, there is no replacement option for the 2001 to 2009.5 multicolor light. Nine, voltage spike. If you had a lightning strike, power surge, or if you were running your spa on a generator, it can take out your motherboard and topside control, and it will cause your power light to flash. Check the power coming into the spa. If you have good voltage, but no lights on the motherboard, it means you have a dead board. The voltage spike took out your motherboard and topside control. You must replace both at the same time. Good job! Thanks for watching! Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.